trying to prepare for the hurricane.
See by Sunday at this point, 2 o'clock.
Live from Ithaca, New York. It's Bri. What's up, Bri?
Not much. Trying to prepare for the hurricane.
What hurricane?
What's the hurricane's name?
See by Sunday at this point, 2 o'clock. The tropical storm force winds are getting close to our coast. Probably Sunday evening or throughout the afternoon and evening hours is when we're going to start to see our winds pick up at this point.
So I have to hurricane proof this. I have that for the water to go out if it gets too high. I'm actually just gonna do this one and this one too. So I have it draining out. This one's going out that hose. Might even take these out. It looks like they're about done with their cycle. And that way we don't clog anything up. Still gotta secure this in. The power goes out, that's gonna drain empty, and who knows where it'll end up at.
He caught a huge gecko.
You see where the tail's growing back? You got something to say?
He said he caught it.
Are we gonna save it from the hurricane?
Yeah. There's a tornado!
A tornado?
Ow. You ruined my skin.
Is that it?
Even a storm staying off our coast would have a big impact on Brevard County, especially Volusia, anyone to the east of I-95. But
Hello, YouTubers. I'm gonna make a lizard tank. I have my rocks. They're hiding stuff, and these are my lizards. These are my bigger lizards, and these are all my small lizards. Yeah, so good. There goes that one. Okay, got him. Got the lady. Okay. That one got away. So now, first I'm going to put the rocks in, but it's going to be loud. So now I'm going to flat the rocks out. Let me turn the tank first. What? That's weird. There's one red rock in here. There's one red rock in here. It's okay. Now I'm gonna pick my hiding stuff. I love this rock because under it bumpy, so I always use a smooth spot. And I always like putting this kind of rock in the corners. Think it's alive? No. So they can lay on it. Oh God! That was the red one. Pretty one I love. Now it's time for the other rock. I like this one because it looks like a hill. Okay. What is that for? So you can get behind and look out the window. And I got these 2 shells from Grandpa. Grandpa? Putting them in the ground. What is that for? Well, sometimes I use them as... What are the colors? Sometimes I use them as bowls for the lizards to drink out of. Ooh. What's that for? I should have did the plants first. All these. And I always like calling these right here a tree. It looks like a tree. White. Now I got this rock. Because my lizards love digging holes and go under and bury themselves and pop up so they can be under this rock. And there's a turd on there. Dried up turd. Yeah. And now, oh no, my tree! Now I'm going to put these 2 rocks. I just found this rock today, this lava rock. And this looks like a boat. Boaty. And I'm going to put it like that. The smoothest lava rock I ever saw. Now it's time for this. Now it's time for this rock. Now it's time for the stick to go. Of course, I need to bury it. And this is what I kind of love it. And I got this lava rock to put on the stick because it tips over a lot when I put the lizards. And I know it's going to tip over when I put the lizards in, and it's going to tip over. And now it's time for the plants to go in. Real plants. We got, it's super windy because there's a hurricane coming. So we are saving all the lizards we can. So now we're going to put this little plant in. Looks so cool. Now it's time for this one. There. I don't think I have enough room. And I put this one in this corner. It's going to be a hard. I wonder if in the corner and there's something in front of me like this, it's hard for me to do it because I can't see. I'm tired. Stand up. Put the shell right there. Okay. Now, 3 more plants left. That one is there. This one right. I love putting the plants in the corners. Because the lizards love hiding in the corners. but I try to like make them hide in other places. This is, and I had all them lizards in here, but three of them, 4 of them died. But there's my brother caught 3 more, and I had like 13 or 18, but 3 of them died. So now I had 12, and my brother caught 2 more, and that equals 18 again, or 14. Oh my God, there's a baby spider on me. Look at that, please. Thank you, I killed you. Now it's time for the lizard. This is my brother right here. His name is Fisher. And he's gonna help me put the lizard in, but first I'm gonna put the lid on. And this is what it looks like in the front. So now, that's the boy. Okay, Fisher got a baby lizard. It's shedding. A lot of skin came off already. Now it's just the skin on. It's just the skin on the head. It's coming off. He just fell asleep with the ice glaze. And sometimes I help them take their skin off. This is a girl. Yeah, I caught. I caught most of these. Yeah, and I caught the huge big boys. When the big cute one, I caught by the fence. Okay, my brother just grabbed the baby boy. I had him so long, his tail's starting to grow back. It's like this whole part right there is. This whole part right here is broke off, and he had 0 tail, and now his tail's growing back. That looks like a turd. And this is a boy, the smallest boy. He was so small, he looked like
How do we know it's a boy?
Because the thing's bigger and the girls are
It's
smaller.
a little dewlap.
Yeah, but when he was smaller, his thing was that big as a girl, but now it's bigger because he grew. I'm going to put him in here. There's the first one I put it in. This is the second one. Yep, right there. Well, my brother just got a baby girl. I don't know if it's a girl or not because it's small. There's no way till it grows up. But I had to let one of my big boy ones go because his tail's connected, and today I went to check on them and I saw his tail almost broke off, so I let him go so that can heal up. And I told my brother to just wait for it to grow back and I can keep him. And this is the baby girl, and now it's gonna go in. Second one. And the one right there. Next one. We got 2 more baby ones left. Hello. Got the other baby. Yeah. This is the smallest lizard I caught. Smaller than that one. You can tell because it's smaller, and I kept it because of the stripe on the pattern on it. Looks cool. And I'm saving these lizards from the hurricane. the last one. Wait, let me see. 2 more, right? Okay. This is the bigger one. It's another girl. My brother caught this. Is just a little reddish, like has red stripes, and under it has like red spots on there, and he's bit me and it doesn't hurt. But the baby boy bites harder than the beast. And that one's gonna go in. My favorite one, and the pounders on it is like cool. Woo! You got one. The last one, I guess. The last one coming up. Oh. Another girl. I can ask. Go bye-bye. Oh yes, never mind. This is another boy. It's just smaller. You can tell it's a boy because that thing's bigger. He doesn't bite pooping. So I'm gonna go clean him off. Now he's gonna go in. Now it's next for the beast to go in. Try not to let the bigger ones get out. Go. Oh God, that one just got out. Take it. Yeah, got it. Oh, great job. You just smooshed it. Baby boy, it just bit me. This is the one that bites harder. But I'm used to getting bit on these 2 fingers right here, and except for this one on this finger. I like getting bit on the thumb, but it doesn't hurt on the rest of the fingers. And these 2 right here don't hurt. This and these 4 right here hurt, except for this one. And this one I like it. And I told my brother like touch the ones with the scarlet on the eye like that. I like it, and I call them Scarly, but they don't listen to me. They don't listen to my your fingers. Hey, what good thing? Don't look at me. It's right over there. Get it. Right there. Got it. This is the bigger girl. The next one is gonna be a little bigger boy. And the last one's gonna be the beast of the beast of the monsters. Sounds. No, there. I'm past trap. Okay, get him. Go. He's still there. You got him? Okay, this is. He just ripped my skin off. Look what he just did. And this is my favorite lizard. He helped me take the plants out. And I named these kind of with the thing like that, iguanas, because they look like iguanas. And this is a little bigger one. This one of the big ones that can bite hard. And now it's time for the beast of the monsters to come out. The beast of the monsters comes out. The beast of the monsters. He's so big he can't even bite hard. But I like it because his scary thing looks like a piece of a water. Baby. Oh crap, he just turned on me. Because it looks like a watermelon. And this is just a huge old boy. But he bites hard a little. And you can see right through his ears. But it's hard because that one, I don't know why it's so small. That one right there is so huge. And sometimes he's ticklish. Like he is now. And now he's going in. Now catch him up. And my brother's gonna catch him. Out. More lizards. I wanna pet him in nicely. Cause I'm like, oh crap, you stay. No. Don't you dare. Got you. Jeez. Why does they like me so much? They never let go of me. Ouch! Jeez, you got a huge chunk of my skin. You get a butt whooping. That stupid baby boy. Hey, I know you see me. You're dancing. You get a butt whooping. And he goes right there. Here, I'll get the smaller boy right here. Show you the size of it. Show you how small this one is. Compared to the beast of the monsters. I call him the beast of the monsters because look to the pair of them. This one's smaller, so his tail's long. And his thing's bigger. And he bites lower. This one gets, I'm gonna call him the biter chunky. Cause he bites chunks of people. Don't. Well, now we're gonna end it off here, but we're gonna go catch more lizards. But when we're having, and some baby frogs, because we had like 100 tadpoles as a pet in that tank over there. And they all turned to baby frogs, so now we're gonna go save some. And I do not know why they just turned to when they drop their tails right when the hurricane's gonna come. So we're gonna end it off and we'll catch more lizards and we'll come back and do another video when we're all done with this. When we're all done doing this one. And thank you for watching our video. And this is all the lizards we got. I think we got 11 of them. He sees us. Sometimes I play with them. I act like I try to catch them and they like try to run.